Everyone, Jeep tech tip. You're ever driving along in your Jeep and you hear a rattling sound and then you figure out what it is, but they can't figure a solution to fix it? I'm going to show you here in a minute, so give me a second. And this is what I mean, this rattling sound. And this is the solution I came up with and cut it to size 5/16 fuel line hose. So give me a second, I'll show you what I did. So go to the top of your antenna, slide her down, cut her to size. Now you ain't gonna hear it. So now you know what to do. Everyone have a good one.